Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here with a Lego review. And today I have the set of Ron and Dumbledore, or Dumbledore and Ron, whichever way you want to look at it. Now, while I look at this set, I can see that this is of the older Dumbledore with the uniform. So it is of the Dumbledore from the first two movies, and it is Ron at some point. It could be in one of the first two movies as well. You know my opinions on Brickheadz, so I'm not really going to get back into that. I just hate the fact there's no articulation in anything, and these are just sort of brick builds, and sometimes they're sloppy. But anyway, Richard Harris was the original Dumbledore in the Philosopher's Stone and Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And of course, when he passed in 2002, Michael Gambon became Professor Dumbledore for all the remainder of the films. So I do believe that this costume that they have on this Brickhead is the one of the original of Richard Harris. Now, that being said, I can't be 100% positive, but I'm pretty sure it is. Now, the Brickheads themselves are Brickheads themselves. Now, I do like the printing on this. They have some really detailed printing on these for the headbands and the arms and the cloaks and all that. The beard is well constructed, and I like the glasses as well because the glasses were printed on clear tiles so you can see through them, so just like glasses. Now, Ron, he has the printed tiles of the scarf hanging down and his like chest shirt piece. They didn't finish it off on the side. There's some studs showing on his hair. They could have put some tiles on that. Other than that, it would have been okay. Not exactly sure why there's studs on the back of his arms there like that, or on the front of him. Maybe it had something to do with just like the flare of the cape type of thing. Anyway, that's just my opinion on that. That's really not too much wrong with Ron's there. The fact that these guys really don't have mouths except a chin that's kind of sunk in is kind of disturbing. So I don't know why they don't smile or whatever. But anyway, let's just zip it across here. Like I said before, I love the printing of the eyes on the glasses on the clear pieces for Dumbledore, and all the printed tile pieces. Now, if you're not going to build them as Brickheads, you can surely use these parts for something else. I think compared to some of the other Harry Potter Brickheads, that these are probably my two favorite right here. Now, I'm still yet to build or even purchase the Grindelwald one and the other one that comes with it, but I'm skeptical as to what it could build like. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. So I might not even bother with them, but then I might, just to say I have them as a complete series for all the new Harry Potter stuff that has been released. So that's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.